Hi there, my name's Andy Zheng, and I'm a senior analyst here on the data science and implementation team at VNL. Today, I will be giving you a quick overview of the network scores and charts and tables feature on the analyzer of our partner CPRM platform. I'm using the Jefferson County CPRM project as an example. This is a fully public project we did together with the Jefferson County government of Colorado. So if you go to the Explore menu here and then click on Networks, and then you can use this drop down to switch to the particular network that you're taking a closer look at. I'm going to the Jeffco CPRM 2023 data collection. I have covered in separate videos of the network map and GIS map feature. And today I'm going to the third tab here, which is network scores, and the charts and tables, which is the fourth tab. So here you will see a list of the members in the in this particular network. We have the organizational names, you can sort it. We have the map labels, we have their completion rate, and centrality scores. So total degree centrality is referred to the number of partners that each organization have. In degree refers to the number of partners that this particular organization has selected. And out degree centrality refers to the number of other organizations that selected this partner, this particular organization as a partner. So for example, if I sort by the total degree centrality from most to least, you can see that Jeffco Human Services Agent and an adult, they have reported 133 total partners. They've selected 4 other organizations as partners, but they've been selected by 135 organizations as a partner. In this particular network, we didn't use the trust and value question, so these columns here are currently all zeros. If your project use all or some of the trust and value questions, these would load automatically based on the results. At any time, you can export this list of partners and scores as an Excel document. If you click on this Excel export scores button here, it will save your table here as an Excel spreadsheet. You can use Excel to further analyze that. A main change we've had recently on the platform is this new addition of a network map tab. So here we have all the members, 214, and then we have a network summary tab that's based on the overall network average scores. But this one in particular shows scores from members in the current network map, including any filters. So if I go to the network map, and let's say I want to we want to apply the attribute of sectors, and I'm mainly interested in the public organizations. So I'm filtering out the nonprofit and private and organizations so that only the public organizations, there are 46 of them showing on the map here. And now if I switch back to the network scores tab, you'll see that there are 46 organizations under this tab. I can expand this table to show all of them. So these are the public organizations that I've filtered. Also, the degree centrality measures here, they are live updated based on this particular subnetwork using filters. Any kind of filter that's applied previously on the network map tab will be used here, so that this is a really good way to drill down to any subnetwork. So if I now take a look at the Jefferson Human Services Agent adult, it is included among the public organizations, but you can see the degree centralities have changed to smaller numbers based on the very specific filter we've used earlier. This is based on connections only within this filter, that's public organizations. Next, I want to show you the charts and tables feature we have. So if you click on the fourth tab here, charts and tables, there are a few options to display this data. We can show any kind of attribute or question or relational questions here. The currently this is the sector, and I can maybe switch to the agent population served. It breaks it down to this nice bar chart for which particular invitation time 1, time 2, or not invited it includes. You can show this as a bar chart, a column chart, or donut chart, which is probably the most applicable here. You will see time 1, time 2, and not invited here. And crosstab is also a very useful feature to show. For example, I can do sector and invitation. So within each invitation, you can see the breakdown of the various types of organization. So within the time 1 data collection here, there are a mix of nonprofit and public, but in time 2, there are fewer organizations, but a lot fewer public organizations, and there's 1 private organizations involved. So this is a really quick and useful way to break down different variables and see how they're correlated within the network. Any of these charts and tables and crosstabs can be saved to be used in a dashboard. If you just click on this floppy disk button, I can save this as sector invitation crosstab. And now this particular visualization will be saved under the visualizations type libraries. When you go to the dashboard and if you have a dashboard created or if you're adding a new one, you will be able to add this visualization, this crosstab in, and the same applies to the various charts types. Hope this is helpful, and thank you.